In this video, I'll show you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. Custom fields are one of the best tools in Asana for bringing structure to your tasks and making your projects easier to manage. Instead of putting every detail into a task title or description, custom fields let you create organized categories and labels that help your team understand work at a glance. To begin, open the project where you want to add more structure. Near the top of the project, look for the option to create or manage custom fields. Once you open that section, Asana will let you choose different field types depending on what kind of information you want to track. For example, you might create a drop-down field for status, so tasks can be marked as not started, in progress, or complete. You could also use a number field for effort, BO date field for review deadlines, or a text field for short notes. The right choice depends on the kind of project you are managing and what information your team needs to see quickly. After your custom fields are created, start filling them in for each task. This gives every task consistent format. For example, you might create fields for priority, department, content type, approval stage, budget range, or request category. When every task follows the same structure, the project becomes much easier to understand and much easier to maintain. One of the biggest advantages of custom fields is that they improve sorting, filtering, and grouping. Instead of scanning a long project list manually, you can quickly view only urgent tasks, group work by stage, or focus on tasks from one team or category. This is especially useful in larger projects where there is a lot happening at once. It is also important to be selective. Custom fields work best when they are simple, useful, and updated consistently. Too many fields can make a project feel crowded, but a few strong ones can completely change how clear and organized the project feels. That's how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. Add useful fields, apply them consistently, and use them to sort, filter, and manage your work more effectively. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.